That hearing took over 4 hours, just ended a short time ago. The Department of Agriculture here in Pennsylvania is seeking an injunction against Amos Miller, an Amish farmer in Lancaster County. They want to stop him from producing and selling raw milk products, saying it poses a health risk and that he does not have a permit to do it. If he got a permit, he could do so. Now, Judge Thomas Thanagle deferred a ruling right now, but says he will issue one soon, and did ask the defense why Miller simply doesn't get a permit.
To feed myself and my family.
More than 100 supporters of Amos Miller, including many from the Amish community, gathered outside the Lancaster County Courthouse, arguing against government overreach and what they call an infringement of rights. Investigators with the Department of Agriculture and State Police raided Miller's farm in Upper Leacock Township in January, seizing raw milk products. In court, a prosecutor with the Attorney General's office called agriculture employees to testify, and saying a quarter of the samples that they were seized showed listeria contamination. That was from the farm and the raid back in January. Now, the prosecution says there were also 3 illnesses diagnosed with E. coli across the country, New York State, Michigan, and Texas, and they say they were linked to Miller's products. The defense, meanwhile, called witnesses from out of state, claim that raw milk has helped them with their health problems, including an expectant mother and her autistic son. Both sides brought witnesses to the stand, arguing over whether raw milk or pasteurized milk is more beneficial.
If it's the person's choice that wants to purchase it, if that person's willing to sell it, I don't feel that there's a need for a permit.
We've been consuming it for quite some time, and it's very healthful for us.
Now, again, state law prohibits selling raw milk products without a permit, while federal laws prohibit selling raw milk products across state lines, saying that they have to be pasteurized. And I should say security was very tight in the courtroom. It was packed. Many of the supporters that were out here were trying to get in to listen to the testimony, so there were sheriff's deputies here throughout the day. Again, the judge expects to issue a ruling in a couple of days. Barbara Barr, News 8 in Lancaster.